Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's quick video, I'll show you how you can connect your PayPal account to your Payoneer account. And I'll show you step by step what you need to do in your Payoneer account to get the two accounts linked together. And be sure to stay until the end of this quick video, where I'll be informing you on some special discount terms with Payoneer that you're not going to want to miss. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse. I've been selling on eBay for 24 years and I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. So for this video, we're going to talk about how to link PayPal to Payoneer and how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal with 0% fees. The first step is to request a Comunity Federal bank account from Payoneer. And to do that, the quickest way is to go to this URL that I'll put on the screen, and I'll also put it below. When you go to this URL, you'll see this page. In the topic field, select Payments. Then where it says your question or comment, type in the following. Please add a Comunity Federal bank account to my Payoneer account so that I can transfer funds from my Payoneer account to PayPal. Next, click the Submit button. Now, it'll normally take 1 or 2 business days for Payoneer to add the Comunity Federal bank account to your Payoneer account. Once you get an email back from Payoneer to say that you've added the account, log into your PayPal account and go to Account Settings. Then click on Money, Bank Account and Cards. Then link a new bank account, then link a US bank account instead. Now PayPal will be asking for a routing number and an account number. And this is the routing and account number from your new Comunity Federal bank account. To get these, just go to your Payoneer account and click on Get Paid, Receiving Accounts, then click on the View Details, and here you'll see the routing and account numbers. I've obviously blurred out our account numbers for privacy. Next, copy and paste the routing and account numbers to PayPal, and then click the blue Link Your Bank Account button. And you'll get the message saying your Comunity Federal Savings bank check has been linked. And last but not least, by joining Payoneer using the link below, you can get discounted terms including 0% fees instead of 1% when transferring money from PayPal to Payoneer. And you can also get 1.8% instead of 2% when you transfer money to your bank account. And also, you'll be eligible to get $25 from your Payoneer account once you reach $1,000 in your account. If you have any questions or comments, as always, please leave them down below, and also remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you can get updates on every new video. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.